hash brown recipe at home. Grate 2 potatoes without the skin. Now take a cloth and put the grated potatoes in it and strain the excess water. After that, take a separate bowl and add the grated potatoes in it. Separate them because we don't want them to be sticking around with each other. Add 2 spoons of cornstarch. Add salt to taste. Mix them around. Put it in the freezer for 15 to 20 minutes. After that, it should be looking like this. Now shape it. Shape it into a circular form. Switch on your stove and place your frying pan. Add oil. Add oil just to shallow fry it. After the oil is hot, place the potatoes flip them for a couple of times as we don't want them to burn. Fry them until they are a golden brown color. Repeat the same process for the other pieces. This is a traditional American breakfast recipe. Your hash browns are now ready to serve. Pair them with a side of tomato ketchup. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.